Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy USDT on your Phantom wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see currently right now on our Phantom wallet in the home page, all you have to do to buy any cryptocurrency is to simply click on the buy option on the right section. And then from here it's going to tell you to select whatever token you would like to buy. So search for USDT. And now just beware, there are three types of USDT, each one on a separate blockchain such as Solana or Ethereum. And so from here, whatever one you would like to buy, for Solana one you can buy with it meme coins, Ethereum one you can buy other coins such as USDC or any other governmental section coins. So from here, once you choose, all you have to do is select however much you would like to buy. So for example, for $50. And then from here is going to give you the options to buy it for. You can click on it to change whatever you want. So you can choose Google Pay, debit card, MoonPay, which is just another platform to pay with your credit card, or ESPA, which is going to be your bank transfer. And so from here, once you select whatever one you would like to buy, click on continue. And then from here, it's going to redirect you to another page, where from here, it's going to show you where it's going to add your credit card details or your debit card details. And once you do that, then you can simply click on buy and it will transfer to your account. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.